Now we're inside Website Designer. Let's make this AI-generated website easier to control and customize. First, I'll update the text. Just double-click the copy you want to change, type in your own wording, and click away when you're done. Next, I'll replace an image. Select the image, go to the right panel, and click Change Image. This opens the resource library. I can choose an existing image or upload a new one from my computer. Once the upload is complete, I'll check the image I want to use and click Select. For buttons, I can update the link and use the right panel to adjust the style, like background color, font, border, and rounded corners. So even though the website starts with AI, you're not locked into the first version. You can keep refining the content, visuals, links, and styles based on your real needs. Webhub also keeps the related page basic SEO settings updated in the background, so there's less manual work for you. Now try updating one element or asset in your own draft.